how to create videos and thumbnails for YouTube using Sora AI. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Sora.com. Make sure you are signed in to Sora, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in, as you will need a ChatGPT Plus subscription in order to create videos and thumbnails in ChatGPT. Once opened, in the text box you see there, go ahead and write a cinematic prompt. The prompt can sound like a 10-second video of a futuristic Tokyo street at night, glowing neon signs, people walking with umbrellas, rain on the pavement. It is shot in cinematic 4K quality and the ratio is 16:1. So, you can further go ahead and set options such as duration to 5 to 20 seconds, aspect ratio, choose the YouTube landscape that is 16:9, and you can also choose the style such as cinematic, realistic, animated, or surreal, etc. Further, go ahead and generate the video by tapping on the send button. You will then receive the video, choose the best one and download it as MP4. Once the video is downloaded, you can further edit your video by adding music or voiceover, or inserting smart caption, jump cuts, zooms, etc. Now go ahead and update your thumbnail manually in YouTube Studio. So, this is how you can create videos and thumbnails for YouTube using Sora AI. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.